Accessories for the SRP Strip Light. Glare Shield. The Glare Shield accessory can be used to hide the connection areas when installed over the channel mount or the splice and power feed connectors. Each set of glare shields comes with a left and right piece. The two pieces can be installed straight for linear applications or in a 90-degree orientation for corner applications. Closed-end connector. At the end of each run, the closed-end connector must be installed to protect the strip light from water damage. Insert the closed-end connector onto the SRP strip light and secure it in place using the U-clamp. The LED spacer is not required for closed-end connections.